In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Keep background. If you've ever wanted your notes to stand out or be easier to spot at a glance, changing the background of individual notes in Google Keep is a simple and effective way to organize visually. Just a quick heads up, you're customizing each note's background, not the entire app, so you can mix and match colors and patterns however you like. Let's do this on a computer using the web version. Open your browser and go to keepgoogle.com. Once your notes are visible, find the note you want to customize. You can either hover your mouse over the note on the main grid or click to open the note fully. Both work. Look for the small palette icon, which is labeled Change Color when you hover over it. Click that palette icon and a panel will pop up with a variety of simple colors and themed backgrounds. Choose a solid color if you want something clean and minimal, or pick one of the pattern themes if you prefer a bit more personality. As soon as you click a choice, the note updates instantly. There's nothing else to save. Each note can have its own background, so you might use one color for personal tasks, another for work, or choose a pattern for anything that needs quick visual attention. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can update the background anytime by clicking the same palette icon again. You can also change multiple notes at once, which is a huge time saver. On the main notes view, select more than one note by clicking the small check mark that appears near the top of each note when you hover. When you've selected all the notes you want to update, a toolbar appears at the top. Click the same palette icon there, pick your color or theme, and Google Keep will apply it to every selected note at the same time. If you select the wrong note by accident, just click its check mark again to deselect it before choosing a background. A quick tip for readability. If your note has a lot of text, a solid color often keeps things clearer. Patterns are great for emphasis or categorizing, but make sure the contrast feels comfortable for your eyes. And because your changes save automatically, you can switch backgrounds as your projects evolve. That's all there is to it. Simple, flexible, and a great way to bring order and personality to your notes in Google Keep.